What if one of the healthiest foods in your kitchen could become one of the riskiest, simply because of a few everyday mistakes? If you're over 60, eggs can be one of the best foods you eat. They're packed with high-quality protein, vitamins, minerals, and nutrients that help support your muscles, brain, and eyesight. But here's what most people don't realize. According to cardiologist Dr. Mark Hyman, many seniors unknowingly make simple egg handling mistakes that increase the risk of food poisoning, nutrient loss, and even unnecessary health concerns. As we age, our immune system naturally becomes less efficient, meaning even small food safety mistakes can have much bigger consequences. Today, we'll reveal 4 common egg mistakes seniors should avoid, plus a few simple kitchen tricks that make eggs safer, easier to cook, and even healthier. Make sure you stay until the end because the final tip could completely change how you prepare eggs forever. Before we go further, comment below your age and where you're watching from. I read every comment, and it helps others see they're not alone on this journey. Let's begin. Mistake number 1, throwing away the egg yolk. For years we've heard, the yolk is bad. Only eat the whites. But modern nutrition tells a different story. The yolk contains nearly all of the egg's most valuable nutrients, including choline for memory and brain function, lutein and zeaxanthin that protect your eyesight, vitamin D for stronger bones, healthy fats that help absorb important vitamins. In fact, many older adults don't get enough choline, even though it's essential for healthy brain aging. Unless your own doctor has specifically advised otherwise, eating the whole egg is usually the smarter choice. Remember, the white gives you protein, the yolk gives you nutrition, you need both. Mistake number 2, eating undercooked eggs. A soft yolk may taste delicious, but for seniors, it carries a greater food safety risk. Raw or undercooked eggs may contain salmonella bacteria, while younger adults often recover quickly. For someone over 60, salmonella can lead to severe dehydration, hospitalization, and serious complications. The safest option? Cook eggs until both the white and yolk are fully set. If you love recipes like homemade Caesar dressing, mousse, or mayonnaise, choose pasteurized eggs instead. You get the same flavor with much less risk. Mistake number 3, leaving cooked eggs out too long. This happens more often than people realize. Breakfast finishes, the scrambled eggs stay on the table, someone comes back later for another serving. Unfortunately, bacteria multiply surprisingly fast at room temperature. Cooked eggs should never sit out longer than 1 to 2 hours. If it's a hot day, even less. Instead, store leftovers in the refrigerator within 2 hours. When in doubt, throw it out. Mistake number 4, cross-contaminating your kitchen. Many people think the danger is inside the egg. Actually, the shell itself can carry bacteria. If you crack eggs and then touch vegetables, fruit, or cooked food, you may spread harmful germs without realizing it. Always wash your hands after handling raw eggs. Clean your countertops. Wash utensils immediately. And whenever possible, use separate cutting boards for raw foods and ready-to-eat foods. Bonus kitchen tips. Here are 3 simple tricks that make cooking eggs easier and safer. Tip 1, the 20-minute rule. Take eggs out of the refrigerator about 20 minutes before boiling. Room temperature eggs are less likely to crack during cooking. Tip 2, add white vinegar. Add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar to boiling water. If an egg develops a small crack, the vinegar helps the proteins coagulate quickly, reducing leakage and often making peeling easier. Tip 3, choose pasteurized eggs. Love recipes that use raw eggs? Simply switch to pasteurized eggs. They are specially treated to reduce harmful bacteria while keeping the eggs uncooked. Eggs remain one of the most nutritious, affordable foods you can eat after 60. They're rich in protein, support muscle strength, help protect your brain, and provide nutrients your body needs every single day. But as you've seen today, it's often not the egg that's the problem. It's how we handle it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to HealthEclipse for more science-informed nutrition and healthy aging tips every week.